I wanted to take and show some thrillers that I absolutely loved, especially if you're maybe getting more into thrillers and they're newer. I think you would really like these. As always, please check any trigger warnings and all that to make sure it's something that you'd be comfortable with and you would like. But first things first, Sherry Lapina, The Couple Next Door. I had a great time reading this. I read this really, really fast. Next, The Last Mrs. Parrish by Liv Constantine. I've say love to this. I thought this was amazing. I'm kind of surprised I don't see this more on TikTok because it really seems like something that people would be really into. I highly recommend reading this. Then, last but not least, is Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell. This is a very easy to go with thriller. It's very easy to understand. Lisa Jewell just writes very, I don't know, just like beautifully. It's very just, I don't know, it just flows. I sat here and I read all three of these in one sitting. Not all at once, but like each time I read the book, it was just all just one time. And I absolutely love these. Highly recommend. I think a lot of you guys would really like them, especially if you're maybe just getting into thrillers. I find them to be very easy. And again, definitely check trigger warnings to make sure you are comfortable with them.